Ndewo onye ọma na-ege ntị. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chioma. Afa m bụ Chioma. And afa channel ma bụ Igbo Academy. And the name of my channel is Igbo Academy. On this episode, we are going to learn about greetings in Igbo language. Ekene na ndụ ndị Igbo. Greeting in the life of Igbo people. So we are going to learn how Igbo people greet in the morning, afternoon, when you're sick, when you're working, at night. There are different greetings for different times and for different occasions. Assuming someone comes to you and wants to say, how are you? How are you? It's Kedu Kime. Kedu Kime. Every Igbo person is supposed to know this one. Any child that can talk, my son is like 2 years and he can, when you ask him, Kedu, he will tell you Odima. So Kedu, Kedu Kime or Kedu. Your response, it means Kedu is how are you? Kedu Kime is how are you doing? How are you doing? Or Kedu, how are you? The response is Odima or Adimumma. Odima or Adimumma. So they'll ask you, Kedu maka papagi, how is your father? Odima. Or Kedu maka nnagi. We all know what nna is. Odima. Nna is father. Kedu maka nnegi. Odima, you respond Odima. Kedu maka nwanne gị nwoke? Odima. How is your brother? It's fine. Kedu maka nwanne gị nwanyị? How is your sister? You answer Odima. Kedu maka ụmụaka? How are the children? Odim, Hadima. Ha, because it's plural. Hadima. Kedu maka nwa? How is the child? Odima. So once you get to Igbo land or you're an Igbo, once you see somebody, you just shake. Kedu kwanu? Kedu kunu me? Na dikwa mma? Kedu maka nna gị? Like once you see your friend on the road, kedu maka nwanne gị? Kedu maka nne gị? Kedu maka nwanne gị nwoke? Kedu maka nwanne gị nwanyị? Kedu maka nwanne gị nwanyị nke ahụ ntọ gị? Kedu maka nwanne gị nwanyị nke obere ahụ? Kedu maka nwanne gị nwanyị nke nnukwu? Kedu maka, you just ask you kedu. So whenever you're hearing kedu kime, kedu maka, they're asking you about someone, and your response should be Odima. Apart from Odima, if the person is not fine, if it has been long ahead, that one is another story. You tell your story, but the normal response is Odima, if that person is okay, and if you have those stories to tell. So next is in the morning. Okay, here is telling us that ekele bụ ihe mmadụ na-eme maọbụ ihe ọ na-ekwu iji gosipụta obiọma na nsọpụrụ. In Igbo land, you greet to show that you have a good heart towards the person, and it's a sign of respect. For you to greet anybody, you greet both those that are your elders and those that are not your elders. But mostly you greet your elders. You can't pass an Igbo elderly person without greeting the person. Even if you know the person or you don't know the person. You can't pass an elderly person, not even an Igbo elderly person. You can't pass a person without greeting that person. So you must, every child must greet the elderly person that he sees on the road. Because if you don't greet, they will all tag you, that child that doesn't greet. And it's a bad thing for them to know you like that. For anybody to know you in that manner. So it's very, very bad. So it shows, it's a sign of respect, and it shows that you have a good heart. If you see two people that are in that are not talking with each other, they don't greet. Like you come in the morning, maybe two women are quarreling or two men are quarreling, they don't greet themselves. It shows that they don't have obioma, they don't have a good heart towards each other. Somebody has wronged somebody, that's why the person did not greet. Or you see a mom going to another mom's house. This your child doesn't greet me. One guy they can come, or they can come, but since cause of that from your nose, or can I rum? I know be a dear woman and one can no very one can rum. The person will be angry that you didn't greet the person. Then you then see your mom drawing your ear. Come here. You start explaining stories. Mommy, you remember I did not see her. Nobody will listen to you. So as a child, you're supposed to greet any elderly person. Not as a child, as a human being. You're supposed to greet any elderly person mostly. In Igbo land, that is the tradition. That is Igbo culture for you. So the first one is Ekene Ututu. Ekene Ututu, morning greetings. What do you greet people in the morning? You greet Ibolachi. Ibolachi. That's good morning in Igbo. Ibolachi. So when you go to your, I know when we were small, our parents used to make us greet them in our language. They know we can say good morning, but they want us to say it in our own dialect. In my dialect, in Nsukka is Ibochi. Ibochi. First of all, you tell my daddy Ibochi. You can't just come out and tell him good morning. He doesn't be looking at you. What is good morning? You have to tell him daddy Ibochi. Hey, you then say Ibochi one Imaga. You then say Adimoye or Ibochi or Ibolachi. Ibolachi one Kedu Kime. You then tell the father Nama de Mama. So you greet in the morning. If you go to your father, you say Nnam Ibolachi. If it's your mother, Nnem Ibolachi. Nne Mama Ibolachi. Your uncle Dame Ibolachi. Adam Ira Parora Nkoma. They are all greeting you. Good morning. Obu nwata na-ebu ụzọ ekele okenye. So in Igbo language, it is the child, it is the smaller, the person that is younger in age that greets the elderly person first. So good morning means Ibolachi. So the next greeting is Ekele Hihe. Ekele Hihe means the greetings that you greet in the afternoon. What is Ekele Hihe in Igbo? Which greetings do we greet in Igbo language in the afternoon? We have Ndewo, Ndewo, or Dalo. When you see somebody in the afternoon, you say Ndewo, Nnam Ndewo, Nwanne nwoke Ndewo, Alatago komo, Ndewo, Ndewo, Dalo. That is the greetings that you greet in Igbo language in the afternoon. Then next you go to Ekele Abali. Ekele Abali. That's the greetings you greet at night. At night you say Kachifo. Kachifo. Next is Ekeloru. Ekeloru. The greetings you greet someone that is working. So if you come across someone that is working, you say Daloru. Daloru. You say Jisike. That's another greeting. Tell the person to Jisike. Ikagulagi. Ikagulagi. Ndeworu. So once you see someone that is working, just as you tell the person well done, you have to say Daloru, Jisike, Ikagulagi, Ndeworu. That's for somebody that is working. And we go over to Ekene onye mere mmadụ ihe ọma. Ekene onye mere mmadụ ihe ọma. If someone does something good for you and you want to say thank you in Igbo, you can say Imeela. You know in Igbo songs, there are some Igbo Christian songs that you hear. Imeela, Imeela. It means thank you. imela. There's another one, ekele dirigi. Ekele dirigi. You hear Igbo songs too. Ekele diri Chineke, kainje nye ekele. All these things are telling God thank you, because He has done something good for you, and you're telling Him thank you. Then the next one is Chukwu Goziegi, God bless you. When someone does something good to you, you say Chukwu Goziegi. You say Dalo, Dalo. And Ndi Igbo na-ekwekwa n'aka means that we shake. So when someone does something that is good to you, you shake the person. Maọbụ bioma, jikele. You hug the person or you shake the person to show the person how happy you are for the good thing the person has done for you. So that's all about ekele, onye mere mmadụ ihe ọma. Now we go to ekele, onye nọ na nsogbu or ọrịa. If someone is passing through pains, or if someone is sick, there's a different greeting for that person. How you tell somebody sorry if this person is sick or passing through difficulties. You can say Ndo. Ndo is sorry. So if somebody is sick, you see people telling the person Ndo, oh, Ndo. It means sorry. You say Jisike. The person should just hold on. When did he? Be patient, because you know that time will pass too. When did he? Or you tell the person Ogadima, Ogadichama, oh, one benta, Ogadima. When did he? Ndo, Ayazina. So all these are ekele, onye nọ n'ọrịa. Ekele, onye nọ n'ọrịa, or onye nọ na nsogbu. Then the next one is ekele ịnabata ọbịa. Ekele ịnabata ọbịa. That's the greetings you greet someone when a visitor comes to your house. So you can tell the person no. If somebody comes to your house, or if somebody comes back, your mommy or your daddy comes back from work, you tell the person, Daddy, no. Nam, no. It means that you're telling the person welcome. So apart from saying no, when you want to welcome somebody, you can say Ibiala. Are you here? Ibiala. No. Ibiala. Ndị Igbo na-ekwekwa n'aka maọbụ n'ebioma. You can shake the person also or hug the person to show how happy you are that the person came to visit you. Ekele onye na-aga njem. Ekele onye na-aga njem. So if someone is going out, if someone is traveling or going to the market, you can say Nabo. You can say Ijeoma. That's telling the person bye-bye. You can say bye-bye. Bye-bye is in English. But in Igbo you can say Nabo. Nnem Nabo. Nnam Nabo. Nnem Ijeoma o. Nnam Ijeoma. Jee nke ọma. So a na-efekwa aka. You can also wave to say Jee nke ọma. So that is it about ekele. Ekele na ndụ ndị Igbo. Ekele ndị Igbo or ekele na ndụ ndị Igbo. That's greetings in Igbo language. So I want to greet. Just learn how to greet different types of greeting. Kedu ka ime? Adị m mma. Kedu maka nne gị? Kedu maka nna gị? Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? Ị bọọla chi? Ị rahụkwa nke ọma? Ndewo, daalụ, kachifo, kachibọ, na-abụ, jee nke ọma, imeela, ekele dịrị gị, jisi ike, ndo, when did you? No, ibiala. So all these are greetings in Igbo language. So learn how to say most of them. From now on, after this my video, I'll start greeting you in Igbo language. So you should start getting used to it, because I'll stop explaining things in English. Things that I've taught, I'll stop saying them in English and Igbo. You just have to get them yourself. Just for now, I'm going to tell you Ijeoma Nanubu, or Jisike, or Kemesia. I'll see you later, Kemesia. And you thank me for the So thank you very much. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and tell every other person about this channel. And if you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Thank you, and do have a nice day. Kemesia.